Right, now it says find the slope from tables. Well, you've got to use the change in y over change in x's. So to determine your x and y's, now this time is almost always the x, and so the other value will usually be y if you have time as one of your values. So our change in y, it goes from 14 to 7 to 14, it goes up 7. Change in x, it goes up 2. So they got 7 over 2, which is 3.5. So they cost $3.50 an hour to use the computer cafe. Now, let's practice. Once again, I want you to push pause on the video until you've worked these out. Push play when you see the answers, okay? Push pause now. All right, so from 1.5 to 3, this is time, so it's x, this is y. So this goes up 1.5, this goes up 1.5, this increases by 30, this increases by 30. So we've got 1.5 over 30 for both of them. And that does reduce because we do not want a decimal inside of a fraction. And I got 1.5 divided by 30. I changed it to a fraction, so I got 1 over 20. So find the rate of change in distance with respect to time. So they go 1/20th of a mile every minute. So in 20 minutes, they'll have gone 1 mile. The table shows cost of paint for a house given the number of hours. Find the rate of change with respect to time. So x, there's my y. This is increasing by 45, 45, 2, 2. So 45 over 2, cannot reduce that, so that is going to be $45 per 2 hours. Now, if they want it per 1 hour, we would have to divide it, and 45 divided by 2 ends up giving us 22.5. So $22.50 per hour. Table shows the number of days you rented a movie before returning it, the total cost of renting that movie. So the time is our x. So this is going up by 1 each day, by 1, by 1. This goes up to 25, another 225, and another 225. So this is 225 over 1, so $2.25 per day. And our last one says table shows the amount spent at amusement park and the admission fee and the park charges. Find the rate of change with respect to time and interpret its meaning. Well, this increases by 1, by 1. This increases 0, 0. It's the same each time. So our y over x, so 0 over 1, which is to 0. So what this means is there is no correlation between hours and cost. But realistically, all this means is that when you go to the park, you pay $34.99 when you get in, but it doesn't matter if you go 4 hours, 6 hours, 10 hours. If you're only there for one day, the admission fee will stay the same. I'm going to stop the video here. We will continue on the next video.